You unlock your phone to check one thing. Just one. Then the clock does something strange. 2 minutes becomes 40, and you don't even remember why you picked it up. This isn't weak willpower. You're being played. Most people blame pleasure. But dopamine, the chemical driving all of this, was never about feeling good. It's about the chase. It fires before the reward arrives, the very moment your brain predicts that something good might be coming. That little jolt when a notification lights up, you feel it before you even see what it is. Now the trap. Your feed works exactly like a slot machine. Every swipe is a pull of the lever. Sometimes you hit something you love. Most of the time, nothing. And you can never predict which one it will be. Unpredictable beats guaranteed. Every single time. That unpredictability is the hook. A reward you can count on gets boring, and your brain stops caring. But a reward that only sometimes shows up, on a pattern you can't crack, keeps dopamine firing again and again. Scientists call it a variable reward, and it is the most addictive schedule ever found. Here's the strange part. It isn't the good posts keeping you here. It's the not knowing. The next one might just be the best thing you see all day. Anticipation beats the reward itself. And here's the twist that should make you feel a little better. Your brain isn't broken. It's running ancient survival code, chasing unpredictable rewards, like berries that might be waiting over the next hill. The apps just found that old code and started pressing the button for you. So want out of the loop? Make it boring. Turn off notifications and kill the surprise. Switch your screen to grayscale and drain the color. Leave the phone in another room and add a little friction. Boring is the one thing the feed can't sell you. So next time you catch yourself scrolling with no idea why, now you know. It isn't you. It's the machine, doing exactly what it was built to do. One more mystery solved. Now, send this to the one person you know is scrolling right now, and subscribe to the Why Body.